Sanbonani, Dumelang, Abshinu. Afcon Fever is here, bafethu. Afcon Fever. We are back again. Afcon Fever. Bafethu, do not underestimate these guys. Bafana's faced opponents. Please. Hugo Bros, Sibisi, Mbogazi. All of you guys, please do not underestimate Angola, because let me tell you what, these guys, these ntanga, skillful Brazilian flair, future Brazilian flair. If you want to see skill, go to Angola. If you want to see great goals, go to Angola. If you want to see great celebrations, go to Angola. If you want a vibe, go to Angola. But bafethu, ngicela nibhekeni. If anbazi labantu laba, nama ngibazi.